You're welcome to this video tutorial. I'm called Best Adrian, founder of Digital Alliance. So in this video tutorial, I'll be talking to you on how you can or how patterns in C have been created, that is how they function. So actually in C programming, patterns play a significant role, that is in demonstrating a programmer's ability to think logically and algorithmically. So patterns are essentially arrangements of symbols or numbers in a specific format or design. Like for example, the first pattern we designed and the second, you see that it was an algorithmic and logical thinking by the programmer, that he think of what he can produce, that is producing it with the numbers what we did in the previous video. So programming construct like loops, condition statements, and mastering the art of pattern in C, it will actually go a long way as a programmer or as a developer in whatsoever languages, because C is a core language, that's a core high level language. So if you can actually master how to create some certain patterns in C, like diamonds, triangles, rectangles, polygons, all those types of shapes, so you'll be able to actually master all the patterns in creating it in different language, as far as you know the syntax of that language. So by mastering the art of pattern in C programming, programmers can showcase their problem solving skills and enhance their understanding of algorithms. So we all know what algorithms are. Step-by-step procedure that a programmer follow in order to accomplish a particular task, or a developer follow in order to accomplish a particular task. So patterns in C programming can range from simple geometric shapes like squares, triangles, and rectangles to more complex designs involving numbers or characters. In the previous video, we talked about a square and a triangle. So in the video that's the video I'll be posting next, we'll be talking on how we can create something like a diamond, but not using numbers. Now we are going to print the stars. We are going to be using stars to print that diamond. So these patterns can be created using loops to iterate through rows and columns. Like I said in the previous video, the I value or the I variable takes the row index and the J takes the column indexes. And if you want to print the values that based on that particular indexes, I will drop a PDF on the link below, that's the description below, in the description box below, where you can actually know how to print or how to get a 2D or a 1D array in C programming, how they have been printed. So programmers now use these loops to iterate through rows and columns and conditional statements to determine which symbols or numbers to be printed at each position. So like I said, complex problem will be posted in the next videos that I'll be talking on how we can create diamonds, we can create actually shapes like a house and many other things. So by manipulating loops, variables, and utilizing nested loops just meaning you are repeating a loop inside another loop. Like we use a for loop, we use just the outer and the inner for loop. There are sometimes you use 3 to 4 depending on the type of problem you want to solve. So programmers can generate intricate patterns that demonstrate their coding powers. So understanding how to create patterns in C not only requires knowledge of programming fundamentals, but also sharpens logical thinking and problem solving abilities. So it challenges programmers to break down a complex design into smaller, like let's just say we want to create a house. There's a house that has doors, windows, and those various type of shapes. So it will be very complex for programmers to break a complex design into smaller tasks, manageable component. That's component that we can actually manage, create part by part, then link them together, and devise a systematic approach to generate the desired pattern. So this process actually helps programmers to develop their algorithmic thinking, that you'll be able to develop that mindset on how you can think on how to break that complex problem into smaller and manageable components that you will be able to accomplish, and improve their ability to translate abstract concepts into concrete code. So mastering patterns creation in C programming is essential for any programmer looking to excel in software development and algorithm design. So if you are a software developer, I recommend this video for you to watch it from the start to the end, and get to join our forums and like this video, because more videos will be coming specifically for software developers. How you'll be able to manage your mindset, and you'll be able to create problems that are very complex, and you'll be able to simplify those complex problems into specific steps that you are going to accomplish in them. So it is not only showcasing that creativity and attention to detail, but also it demonstrates proficiency in utilizing programming construct effectively. By honing their patterns creation skills, programmers can enhance their coding capabilities and tackle more complex programming challenges with confidence. So I will end this video by saying that if you have been following us, you are great. If you have been following us from the start, you are actually great, because this forum called Digital Alliance is for tech related studies. So in whatsoever field you find yourself in the technology world or in the digital technology world, you can get to join. If you find it interesting, you can get to join the forum and get to meet other tech crunches or tech pros like you, and you from there you can get to learn more about your field of studies. So it's not only in software development, but Digital Alliance provide over 200 different technology skills. It provides over 200 different technology skills. So I will put in the various content that you need to get to us in the description box, so that you will get to us as soon as possible. Digital Alliance Cameroon, created and founded by Ebeso Adrian, brings you the ultimate sound and the ultimate tech crunch codes and guidance to a successful tech market or digital market. Thank you for your time.